Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to add text in Flimora software for video editing. This is the Flimora software. I am going to edit this video. And if you would like to add text to your video, what you have to do, you can go to your titles. See, this is the titles tab. Just tap on it and you will see various uh, pre, uh, pre readily available text. Okay, so say for example I am selecting this one and you can put it in at any timeline here. Okay, just you can click on this plus symbol to add. Okay, and it will be added. See, it is added in the timeline. You can move this to anywhere in the timeline as well. Okay, see, I have moved it here. Okay, so I am playing it now and it appears here in the preview as well. You can also edit this text. Okay, just you can write your own text here. Okay, so here you can rename. See, the name you give here will be appeared in the video. See, text has been now changed. Suppose if you would like to add any plain text, yes, you can do it. This is readily available text. This is readily available text. If you would like to add any text plainly, you can go here and click on quick text. Okay, so this is quick text tool, and yes, this can be enlarged as well. See, so double clicking on it, you can remove the already available text and you can write your own text. Okay, see, so in this way you can easily add custom text or readily available art. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.